Abide.
Meaning, abide means to endure, accept, or remain faithful to something, especially in the face of difficulties or challenges. Definition: abide is a verb that refers to staying committed to a rule, decision, or belief, or enduring something over time. Examples in sentences. 1. John had to abide by the rules of the competition. Here, abide means to follow or accept the rules. 2. Maria promised to abide by her parents' wishes even though she had her own opinions. In this sentence, abide means to remain loyal or obedient to the wishes of her parents. Usage: abide is often used in contexts where a person accepts, follows, or endures something, such as rules, decisions, or challenging situations.
English practice.